Hi students, my name is Vijay Kumar Mohanty from Our Talent Public School, Pendaru. So today we are going to discuss about class 6 maths, the first chapter, that is knowing our numbers. So let's start. All of you know that what is a natural number? Natural number. A natural number start from 1. Okay. Then 2, 3, 4 onwards. That means up to infinite. Infinite means not. So the minimum, the smallest number is 1, but the largest number is not there. Means it is infinite. So it is called natural number. And if you add 0 here, it becomes a whole number. Whole number. So what is whole numbers? These are natural numbers. The set of natural number is called n. You can say this is the set of natural number, and the set of whole number you can say this w. This is a denotation denoted by w. Whole number started from 0, then 1. So adding 0 to the natural number will become a whole number. 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. So what is the smallest number here? Whole number 0 is the smallest whole number, and the largest number is not there because it is infinite set. So this is before the last class also you know that what is natural number, whole number. But this class we are going to discuss about more about this numbers. Both the above start infinite, as you know. The smallest natural number is 1 and the smallest whole number is 0. Okay, the successor of given number. Now come to the what is successor. Successor means the next number. We can tell one more number. So what is the successor of 2? Successor of 2 is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So successor of 2 is 3. So one more plus number means more than one number is called successor number. Successor of 3 is 4, like this. And this opposite of successor is called predecessor. What is predecessor, right? Predecessor. Predecessor. So what is the predecessor of 3? That means minus 1 number is called predecessor. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so 2 is the predecessor of 3. So this is about successor and predecessor. Now let's see what is the place value and a face value of a number. Place value of a number means, suppose a number is 25. Here, according to the place value, suppose here it is the unit place, okay, and it is the tens place. That means place value of 2 is 2 into 10, that is the 20. So it is called place value. Place value. And what is the face value? Suppose face value of 2 is to the same number. We can tell the same number as the face value. So face value of 2 is 2, face value of 5 is 5. This is all about place value. And what is about 5, place value of 5? Place value of 5 is 5 into 1, that is 5 into 1, that is 5. So here place value of 2 is 2 into 10. So it is the, what is 1 and 10? That is the place value position. Okay. Now let's discuss more about this place value. So this is a number. The number is according to the Indian system 57,32,198. So what is the place value position of this? This is the 1. This is 10. This is 1. This is 10. This is 100. And this is 1000. This is 10,000. This one is how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now multiply this number with the face value position. So how to write? 5 into this number. 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because after 5, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more 0. Okay. So you see here how to write the place value. Write 5 here. Then after 5, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that much zero, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now plus. This is the expanded form. Explain this is the expanded form of this number. Now next number is 7. 7 into, after 7 how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here 1, then that many 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then plus, after that 3 is there, write 3 into, after 3 how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that much 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then write 1, after 3 is 2 is there. 2 into, after 2, 1 to 3 numbers are there. So in 1, that many 0 are there, 3 0 are there. Then plus 9 into, after 9 how many 0 are there? So one more many, plus 1 into 2 0 plus 9 into 1 0 plus 8 into 1. This is the expanded form of the place value. This is a pattern value shown here of this number, also called expanded form. Okay. Now we will discuss now system of numeration. System of numeration means how you represent a number that depend upon. There are two types of numeration: Indian and international numeration. That means how you represent a number and giving comma, and also what will tell the numbers, represent the number, that is called numeration. So according to the Indian, first discuss the Indian system of numeration. So I am writing here 4 periods are there: ones period, thousand period, lakhs period and crore period. In the ones period, the first place is 0. That means the first number is 0. Means here first number is ones. This is the ones place. Okay, writing here 1, and here T represent the 10 place, and H represent the 100 place, and TH represent 1000. TTH represent 10,000, L represent that is 10,000, means 1 lakh, L represent 1 lakh, TL represent 10 lakh, C represent 1 crore, and TC represent 1 crore, TC represent 10 crore. So this is according to Indian system of numeration. For example, I am writing here 5 lakh. So 0 0. In lakh place how much? There are 5 0 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called 5 lakh. So in the Indian system, after 3, 1 comma, then after 2 place 1 comma, like this 2 2 it represents. Suppose I have written 15 lakh. So this is the 15 lakh position. We can write 10 lakh. So 10 lakh and lakh. These are in the lakh place. So likewise we represent the Indian system of numeration. Now let's see international system of numeration. The international system of numeration can be divided into these periods. Start from 1 period, this is 1 period, 1000 period, millions period and billions period. So we can tell billion, million, 1000 ones. So according to this is the higher order, this is the lower order. In the ones period, starting from 1, we can write from 1, 10, 100 plus represent H represent 100, that is 10, and TH represent 1000. So 1000 means in 1 3 0 are there. Next round 10,000, in 1 4 0 are there. 100,000, that is in 1 5 0 are there. Then million, 1 million in 1 how many 0 are there? 6 0 are there. In 10 million in 1 7 0 are there. In 100 million, HM represent 100 million, in 1 8 0 are there. 1 billion in 1 9 0 are there, and this is 10 billion in 10 0 are there. So what is the order? 1,000, million and billion. So you can tell 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion and 10 billion, like this. For example, I am writing 6 million. You see that billion is how many 0 are there? 1, 6 0 are there. So 6 billion means first you write the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0 are there. So according to the international system, 3 place, then comma, then after 3 place, then comma. 3 place, comma are there. But Indian system, what happened? 3 place, then 2 place, like this, comma are there. But in international system, 3 place, then comma, then 3 place, then comma, like this. So 6 million represent in 6 0 are there. So for example, here I am writing 10 million. 10 million how many 6 zero are there? 1 2 3 comma 4 5 6 like this, 10 million. Okay, let's solve one question from the book. The question says that how many numbers in all can we have in 3 digits? In 3 digits, how many number we have? So what is the solution? We know that the smallest 3 digit number, the solution here, smallest 3 digit number, that is smallest 3 digit number, that is 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. And what is the greatest 3 digit number? Greatest 3 digit number. So greatest 3 digit number is 999. Okay. The formula to find out, the question is asking how many numbers in 3 digits. What is the formula? Number of 3 digit number equal to, so 3, total number of 3 digits, total number of 3 digit number equal to, what is the formula? The largest number minus the smallest number, that is 100 plus 1. Okay, so if you do largest number of 3 digit minus smallest number of 3 digit plus 1, you will get the answer. The answer will be 999. So there are 999 number 3 digit number we have. So question asking how many numbers in all can we have with 3 digit number. So 3 digit number है, total number is 999. Sorry, the answer will be 900. So answer will be 900. Answer is 900. So here, so total number of 3 digit number है 900. 999 minus 100 plus 1 will be 900 is the solution. Okay. Now let's start further. Question is saying that express 3,64,029 in expanded form. Already we discussed what is expanded form. So let's start the number. First write the number 364029. We see that here the position of 9 is 1. So place value of 9 is multiply here 9 into 1 like this. Then plus position of 2 is 10. So multiply 2 with 10. Then position of 0 is 0 will be there. Then position of this number 4 into how much? After 4, 1 2 3 0 are there. So 1 2 3 0 are there. Then plus 6 into how much? 6 into 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 plus in 3 after 3 how many 0 are there? Place are there 1 2 3 4 5. So 3 into 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the expanded form. You can write this expanded form like this. Okay. So the expanded form of this one is 3,64,029 is like this. We also write like this. So 3. Okay, now look at here the concept of rounded to 10, rounded to 100. So in rounded to 10 means we have to see the 10th place here. So what is the 10th place here? 9. And after 9 you see the next number. If it is less than 5, then it will be rounded to the last 10th. So it is here 90. 90 is the last 10 here. 90 because it is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Now look at here, it is 78. The 10th number here is 7, and after 7 which number is there? 8. So it is more than the next 10 number, that is 70 will be next. After 70 what is there? 80. So 480 is the rounded to 10 here. Okay. Now come to the rounded to nearest 100. In 100 nearest to 100 means you have to see the 100 place. In 100 place 4 is there. So after 4 which place is there? It is more than 5. So more than 5 means you will convert it to the next number. So next number means 400. After 4 which number is coming? Here 5 number is coming. So 500 is the rounded to 100 here. Now look at this example here. Here the 100 place is 8. and after it is 4 is there, means it is less than 5. If less than 5, the number will be as it is, so it will be nearest to the last 100. What is the last 100? That is 2, 8, sorry, this one. So you see the 100 place here, 100 place is 4 here, so after 4, 8 is there, this is rounded to the next 100. So here 28500 is the next 100. So 28,500. Here it is 500 because it is 100 place and it is 4 here and 100 place is here. Here also 4 is there. After 4, 5 is there, so 5 is coming here. Here also 4, 5 is coming, so 500. So this is about rounded to 10 and 100. Okay. Now come to the estimate part. In estimate part, you see here the two numbers are estimated. So what is the number? Estimate 7,345 plus 15,893. So what is the first? Look at the first number, 7,345. So what is it? It is rounded to which number? First we'll make it rounded one. So 7,345 rounded to, because after 7, 3 is there and 3 is less than 5. So it is rounded to 7,000. 7,000 plus, and this number you see here. So estimating to estimate this one. So 15,000. 15,000 you see, after 15,000 the number is coming here 8. So it is more than 5. So it is more than 5, it will be 16,000. So it is right here 16,000. So after rounding these two numbers, we will make it plus here. So 16,000 plus 7,000 will be 23,000. 16,000 plus 7,000 will be 23,000. This is the estimate of this solution. Okay. Now coming to the last part of this chapter is Roman numbers. Look at here. The basic numbers are, suppose 1 is I, 5 we can write English 5 you can write here. The digit 5 can be written in Roman 5 V, and the digit 10 is written in Roman X. The digit 50 in Roman is L, 100 is C, 500 is D, 1000 is K or M. So if you memorize this Roman number, we can make any number out of these numbers. I think you understand these chapters very well. If any doubt is there further, we will discuss in future. Okay, just practice this calculation part, estimate part and rounded part, and memorize the international and Indian system of numeration very well. We can do success in future. Okay, thank you.